Our coverage continuing on this, well, from those unindicted other members of the Houck family to a call for a brand new trial in this case. We took your top questions about the case to the best legal analyst right here in Louisville. WHAS 11's Alexandra Goldberg and senior photojournalist Alyssa Newton sat down with Louisville attorney Nick Mudd.
WHAS 11 viewers asked us hundreds of questions about the Crystal Rogers trials. We brought them to our legal analyst, Louisville attorney and former prosecutor Nick Mudd. Question 1. Was this a Houck family affair?
We heard Shane Young say from the beginning, and right in Stephen Lawson's trial, that Rosemary and Nick Houck are unindicted co-conspirators. It's hard to say what they would be charged with. It could be conspiracy to commit murder. We don't know. But the problem is they have to go based on the evidence they have. And we just don't know yet what evidence they do have. I would say if they get charged, it would be within the next 6 months to a year. Could be sooner, could be later.
The case of Crystal Rogers is among several murder cases in Bardstown, including her father, Tommy Ballard, and Bardstown police officer Jason Ellis killed in 2013, all still unsolved. Question 2. Could we get the full story on what's happening in Bardstown?
I mean, people have worked thousands and thousands of hours on this, and the question is, are those resources going to be available to switch focus? Because it's not as simple as saying, okay, we think you're involved too, we're just going to charge you. It's not that simple.
Question 3.
Do you think that the judge will take the sentencing recommendation and give Brooks life and give Joseph 25 total?
I mean, you're better off buying a lottery ticket than to think Judge Sims is going to go below the recommended sentence here.
But also expect a big legal challenge ahead.
A couple things are going to come. There 100% before sentencing will be a motion for a new trial. Alexandra, I'm telling you, it's coming. It's going to be long. It's going to be lengthy. It's going to be contentious. Secondly, appeals will be filed.
A clear message from both Bardstown residents and the legal system. It's not over yet. In Louisville, Alexandra Goldberg, WHAS 11 on your side.
Well, Nick Mudd also says that they're both eligible for parole after serving 20 years, but the parole board has no obligation to let Brooks Houck out with a life sentence. Judge Charles Sims, by the way, will decide that final sentence coming up on Thursday, August 21st. By the way, to catch up on all of our Crystal Rogers trial coverage, you can go to our website, WHAS11.com, or watch our 30-minute special report that we just recorded on the Verge by downloading the WHAS 11 Plus app on your smart TV. It is free to download. You can watch anytime.